Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a super exciting video. I'm going to show you guys how to create AI image using a free tool called midjourney. If you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and let's begin. First thing you need to do is to open your browser and type midjourney.com. Then here you click on join the beta. And the way it works is you need to join their Discord channel, and you probably need to create an account for that. Once you've done that, then you go to their Midjourney Discord channel, and you need to go to one of those rooms here for newcomers. So any of those three here. So just click on one of them, and the way it works basically is you give a command to a bot. The bot is going to process your command and is going to return the image. So the command you give to generate images is /imagine. So just click here on the prompt, and then you give a description of whatever you want to create. So for example, I want to create a dark fantasy world with a sci-fi vibe. And then once you give your description, you type --v4 just to give the instruction that you want to generate the images using the latest version of the software, and then you hit enter, and then the bot is going to process your command. It may take a few seconds to actually return the image, so just wait for that. So here we go, guys, the bot just returned the image. So if I click on it, you can see that it generated 4 different versions of the description I gave it. So you can see it in here. And then one of the cool stuff is that you have those options here. The first role basically means that you want to upscale your image. And the second role, if you want to create variations. So for example, you have image 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then here you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Meaning that if you click, for example, on U2, you're going to upscale image number 2. And if you click on V2, you're going to generate another image or another version of image 2 using image 2 as a reference. So that's basically how it works. So you can see that, let's say that I want the image 4 to be upscale, so then I can use anywhere I want. So I just click here on upscale 4, and again the bot is going to process your command and is going to return the upscaled version of image number 4. And here we go, that's the upscaled version of my image. And then if I want to save that image, I click on it and right click and save image as. So as simple as that. And one of the cool stuff that you can do with this tool is that you can actually give it an image URL. So if I go to Google, for example, and search for, let's say, Albert Einstein, go to images, then I'm going to select this image here. I'm going to right click and then open image in new tab. I'm going to copy this address here back to the midjourney. I'm going to give the imagine prompt. I'm going to paste the address of the image here, and then I can give some description so that it will create another image having the Albert Einstein image as a reference. So I can say, for example, give me a 3D cartoon with a modern look, and then again using version 4, hit enter, and let's see what it gives us. And here we go, guys, look how cool that is. So it gave me 4 different images of Albert Einstein in a cartoon style. Super exciting stuff. And then again, you can, if you want to upscale the image, you select the one you want here and just click upscale or generate another one given one of those 4 images as a reference. So as you can see guys, the possibilities are endless. You can create logos, you can create backgrounds, profile images, whatever you want with this tool. Super exciting stuff. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I see you on the next one. Bye.